Again, the kingdom of the heaven is like a merchant looking for fine pearls. When he found one of great value, he went away and sold everything he had and bought it. Hello everyone, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're enjoying the video so far. I wanted you to know that this video is a part of a collaboration. I'm collaborating with my lovely sisters of the Heaven's Pearls. Now we're a group of like-minded Christian YouTubers. We come together every month and do everything that we do for the glory of God. Now for the past few months we have been focusing on the gifts of the Holy Spirit. And this month, as we celebrate our earthly fathers and the love of our heavenly fathers, we are celebrating the gift the Father has given us of discernment. Now, the scriptures tell us that Paul prayed that believers would have and apply the spirit of discernment. In Philippians chapter 1, verses 9 through 10, in the NIV, he prayed, "And this is my prayer, that your love may abound more and more in knowledge and in depth of insight, so that you may be able to discern what is best and may be pure and blameless for the day of Christ." So, my brothers, my sisters, this is a wonderful gift, this gift of discernment, and it's a gift from the Holy Spirit, again, that will give us insight and experience. Now, one of the benefits of having the gift of discernment is a heightened awareness of God's presence. A true discerner will have a passion for the ungrieved presence of the Holy Spirit. So again, I thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for listening. And if you'd like to read more about the gifts of the Holy Spirit, please go to 1 Corinthians chapter 1, verses 1 through 12. Also, if you'll go and visit all of the ladies of the Heaven's Pearls, I've left links to their channel and our playlist in the description box. Thanks again. Have a wonderful day or wonderful night, and I pray that you will receive the gift of discernment.